Hola a todos y bienvenidos a mi canal. Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Mi nombre es Victoria y esto es The Spanish Express. In today's episode, I'm going to teach you how to ask where do you live and how to answer that question in Spanish. You will see it's super easy. ¿Estás listo? Are you ready? Empecemos. ¿Dónde vives? ¿Dónde vives? The question word ¿dónde? Means where. And vives comes from the infinitive form vivir, to live. Repite conmigo. ¿Dónde vives? ¿Dónde vives? To answer this question, you can say el nombre del país, the name of the country. Vivo en Inglaterra. Vivo en Inglaterra. El nombre de la ciudad, the name of the city. Vivo en Liverpool. Vivo en Liverpool. You can also say both things, ambas cosas. Vivo en Liverpool, en Inglaterra. Vivo en Liverpool, en Inglaterra. In lesson number 4, I already taught you how to say some country names, and today I'm going to teach you some more. Vivo en Polonia. Vivo en Polonia. Vivo en Japón. Vivo en Japón. Vivo en Australia. Vivo en Australia. Vivo en Turquía. Vivo en Turquía. Vivo en Rumania o Rumanía. Vivo en Rumania o Rumanía. Here it doesn't matter what you put the stress on this word because both possibilities, Rumania y Rumanía, are accepted by la Real Academia Española. If you have been following the A1 course, I suppose you already know how to ask the question back during a conversation, don't you? Yes, of course you do. ¿Y tú? ¿Y tú? Now let's say you're traveling in South America, you're having the time of your life and you meet new people, and this is a country that uses vos instead of tú to address the second person. How do you ask this question? ¿Dónde vivís? ¿Dónde vivís? As you may see, it's not that different. The verb vives changes slightly to vivís. And we will talk about this in the future when we start doing conjugations, but for the moment it's fine if you know how to ask this question and how to ask the question back during a conversation. ¿Y vos? ¿Y vos? De deberes, quiero que escribas un comentario en la sección de comentarios más abajo y respondas a la pregunta ¿dónde vives o dónde vivís? As homework, I would like you to write a comment in the comment section down below answering the question ¿dónde vives? Or ¿dónde vivís? I would love to hear from you. I would love to know from which part of the world you're watching. Y eso es todo por hoy. This is everything for today. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, un pulgar arriba, and don't forget to subscribe for more Spanish lessons. Click on the bell so you get a notification every time I post a new video, and I will see you in the next one. Hasta la próxima. Chao, chao.